Hello everyone, welcome to X Shop Review channel. Today I will show you the best wrap of Gucci Ace sneaker. Okay, let's watch the delicate shoe box. On the side of it, it shows the serial number, size and code, and there is a microchip in it with NFC function. You can take your mobile phone to touch it, then a Safari official website will open. Let's move on, open the box. As we can see, there is a Gucci shopping bag, and next one, two dust-proof bags, which are silky. A pair of black spare shoelaces of Gucci original. So very much fancy. There is a black handbook of Gucci certification card and 4 Gucci's instructions with different languages. Two envelopes, one is the thank you buying card, another is the official invoice that we can change the purchase information to yours. So let's move to the most important part. Take out dust-proof paper and a plastic bag. This color is very connective and very attractive. I personally like it very much. Whether it's leather or routine, the workmanship of this shoe is excellent. We bought originals from Italy and make the sneaker mold to guarantee every detail of the shoes is the best on the market. If you want to know more, contact me on the top of the video. Thank you for watching video. Subscribe our channel to get $10 discount and see more review videos.